about how you can add an Instagram highlight cover without adding it to your story. I know we've all seen these kind of spammy posts. They can look a bit spammy on your stories, where someone posts a ton of different Instagram highlight covers on their stories so that they can then add them to their highlights. And the thing is, you can do that without having to add them to your story. So I'm going to show you in today's video a very quick and easy tutorial on how you can do that. And I'm also going to share with you my free Instagram highlight covers. So over on my blog, I've got 80 plus free Instagram highlight covers in different shades. So I've got this set, which I will put on the screen right here, which is a marble set of highlight covers. So it's got a white grayish background with obviously the marble print on it, and it's got different icons as well. So there's this set. Then I also have a gray set, so just simple gray one, which is, I think, is one of my most popular one, which is weird because I thought the other ones would be more popular, but anyway, people just really love the gray one. And then also I've got a pink and white one, so very similar icons. It's just a pink background with a white icon, and then I've also got pink and black. So those are the 4 sets that I have over on my blog, which I will link in the description box, where you can get these for free. And also, if you're thinking these are not maybe really up my street, maybe I want something else, then you can actually learn how to create these super easily yourself, because I promise it's so easy. I have a super easy tutorial on how to do this, so I will link that in the description box, and maybe I'll put it up here as well, so you can go check that out. It's super easy to do, and you can just create whatever type of design you want. If you're not very kind of creative about this, then you can just get the free Instagram highlight covers. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's show you how you can add those to your Instagram without adding them to your story. So I will record my screen for you. Let me just go ahead and start that really quick. And now let's go to Instagram. So if you see here on your main, obviously on your main profile, if you don't already have your highlights here, you can just click on the plus and add one, and you can add different stories to your highlights. But the way that you add the covers is after you've created one of these highlights, you can click on it, go to these 3 dots here on the right, these ones where it says more, and then over here you're going to select edit highlight. So over here you can see the selected stories that I've added to my highlight already. So if you want to remove any of these, you can just click on it and deselect it, or if you want to add more, you can go to stories and just pick from your recent stories and put them in this highlight. But if you want to edit the cover, you just click edit cover, and then from here you can see the cover that I've already added. But if you don't want to spam your stories with this, you can just click on this little icon here with the mountains on it, and this will pull up your pictures. So you can just select any of the pictures from your phone and click on done when you are done, and then your highlight cover will appear here, and you can resize it to fit the icon the way that you want it to fit. So that's how you add your Instagram highlight covers without adding them to your story, and then you click done when you are finished, and then that's it. Yeah, so it's super easy to do that, and you don't have to add them to your stories before you can add those covers. So again, if you want the free highlight covers, go ahead and check those out in the description box. Or if you want a tutorial on how to create them yourself, again, that will be linked down below. If you found this helpful, do give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more Instagram tips, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!